So, okay, I used to say from the middle of the eyebrow to the middle of the eyebrow, but I think you'd agree that everybody's eyebrows now are all, everywhere. So I now talk about to take the section that I'm going to take, the rock of the head. So I'm basically going to take a section and I'm going to come back to the crown. Okay, now where is the crown? This is a really, really, really good question. So, because it's almost like, would you agree, it's like one of those things that actually comes around all the time is how do you determine where the crown is? It's sort of a word that's thrown around quite a lot. Is that too, yes, smooth, yes. Yes, it is to smooth it, sorry, yes. Everything was to smooth when we were blow drying. Okay, so can you see where the tip of this comb comes away? So just that edge right there, that indicates to me that that is the crown.